Right, here we go. Now we've got a product here, so we need to use chain rule. So let's do this. I'm going to call that U and call that V. So U equals 2x plus the 1 to the power 5, and V equals e to the power minus 2x. So now when I differentiate this, you'll get take the power down, take 1 off the power, times by the differential of the bracket, which is 2. So that's chain rule coming back in there. And when I do v dash of this, differentiate this, that stays the same. And again, chain rule is coming here. The differential of that is minus 2. Okay, I'm not going to neaten enough things up at the moment. I'm just going to carry on. And then you multiply those together and those together and add it. That's what chain rule, quotient rule tells us. Not quotient, sorry, product rule tells us. So dy dx is going to be that times that. So that will be 10. 2 times 5 is 10. E to the minus 2x, open bracket, 2x plus 1 to the power 4. Now this is add. That times that, which is going to give me a minus 2, e to the minus 2x, open bracket, 2x plus 1 to the power 5. Okay, so we got those, and it's asked us for the stationary point. Now, stationary point is where dy dx is equal to 0. So that's when this is equal to 0. So I'm going to do 10 e to the minus 2x, 2x minus 1. Now, because it's equal to 0, this is minus. I'm going to take that to the side, so that's going to equal 2 e to the minus 2x, 2x plus 1 to the power 5. Now, what we could do here, you could get 4 of those factors, get rid of those by dividing it back and getting 1 of those there. So literally I've divided both sides by the factor 2x minus 1. I haven't got rid of it. I divided most of it, so I've got 4 factors, got rid of it there, and 1 still there. And likewise, I could, now I've got to be careful here, because if I times that by e to the 2x, I'll actually get rid of, right, let's just keep it like that at the moment. So you got, what I can do is, I can divide both by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So what I've got here on this side, I've got e to the minus 2x equals, sorry, 5e to the minus 2x equals e to the minus 2x bracket 2x plus 1. Now, I'm going to bring it all to one side actually, and then factorize it. So I've got 5 e to the minus 2x minus e to the minus 2x bracket 2x plus 1 equals 0. Take the common factor out, which is e to the minus 2x. I've got 5 lots of those, minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. If I smarten that up, I've got e to the minus 2x. I've got 2 minus 2x minus 2, that's going to give me 3 minus 2x equals 0. Now, either that's going to equal 0 or that's going to equal 0. Well, that can't equal 0, which we know. It can tend to 0, but it can't equal 0. So here, I expanded. No, it should be 4. What I've done here, I've done so much to do. Sorry, you're right. I've kind of times everything by. Just checking. So that should be 4. Well done. Minus 2x. Yeah, I think I times it both by 2 for some daft reason. So it's minus 2x, and that's minus 1, take away from 5, which would be 4 minus 3, that's fine. So this will tend to 0, but 1 equals 0, so no solutions. And this one will be 2x equals 4, so x will equal 2. So stationary point, we'll get x equals 2. Now it does say, oh no, find the x coordinates. So you don't need to, that's it. That's the only coordinate for the stationary point, and we're done. Okay.